Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn EVS lesson level. First one, oceans and seas. Second one, continents. Third one, the equator. And the last, fourth one, latitudes and longitudes. We have already learned that a globe is a model of the earth. A globe shows the shape, size, and location of all the areas covered by landforms and water bodies. Now, let us discuss our first topic, oceans and seas. If you carefully examine the globe, you will see the large areas of blue indicates the water bodies called oceans. There are five major oceans, namely the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Seas are smaller than oceans. Some important seas are the Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal. Next, we discuss about our second topic, continents. Children, what is a continent? A large area of land on earth that is joined together is called a continent. The parts of the globe that is either green or brown indicate land. The earth is divided into seven major continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest and most populated continent. It includes about 50 countries. Antarctica is coldest and least populated continent. Australia is the smallest and also most isolated continent. India is a part of the continent of Asia. As we all know that India is a peninsula as it is surrounded by water on three sides, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. Look at the globe. The two ends of the earth are called the poles. The north end is called North Pole and the south end is called South Pole. There is an imaginary line passing through the center of the earth connecting the two poles called axis. Our next topic is the equator. It means equalizer. The equator is an imaginary line around the earth divides into two equal halves. They are southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere. The latitudes. Look at the globe. You will see lines parallel to the equator are called latitudes. They are complete circle. The equator is the longest of the latitude. They are 180 latitudes, 90 to the south of the equator and 90 to the north of the equator. The important latitudes are 0 degree latitude is called equator. 23.5 degree north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree south latitude is called Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degree north latitude is called Arctic Circle. 63.5 degrees south latitude is called Antarctic Circle. 90-degree north latitude is called North Pole and 90-degree south latitude called South Pole. The region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn has hot climate. Places between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the south have moderate climate. Places to the north of the Arctic Circle and to the south of Antarctic Circle have very harsh and cold climate. Our next topic is the longitudes. The imaginary lines around the earth connecting to the north to the south pole is called longitudes. They are semicircles. There are 360 longitudes, 180 to the east and 180 to the west. The longitudes are not parallel. They all meet at the poles called meridian. It means midday. The longitude that passes through Greenwich in London is considered 0 degree longitude. It is also known as Greenwich meridian or the prime meridian. The prime meridian and 180 degrees meridian divided the earth into two equal halves. They are Eastern Hemisphere and the Western Hemisphere. India is located to the east of the prime meridian. Okay, children, what are grids? The lines of the longitudes and latitudes cross at 90 degrees and they form squares. These squares are called grids. Then, how grids help us? Grids help us to locate any place on the earth. For example, Delhi is 28 north degree latitude and 77 east degree longitudes. The point where these two lines cut is Delhi's location. Now, let us discuss some hard words. Atlantic, Atlantic. Second one, Mediterranean, Mediterranean. Third one, Equator, Equator. Fourth one, Imaginary, imaginary. Fifth one, Latitudes, latitudes. Sixth one, Connecting, connecting. Seventh one, Antarctica, Antarctica. Eighth one, Australia, Australia. Ninth one, grids. Tenth one, measured. Now, let us move for our first section, question answers. Name the five major oceans and seas. Five major oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Five major seas are Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Arabian Sea, and Bay of Bengal. Second question. Name the seven continents. Which continent do you live in? The seven continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. We live in the continent of Asia. Third question. What are latitudes and longitudes? The imaginary lines parallel to the equator are called latitudes. The imaginary lines around the earth connecting the North Pole and the South Pole are called longitudes. Fourth question. What is the equator? The equator is an imaginary line around the earth halfway between the poles. Equator means equalizer. Fifth question. Draw a diagram to show the important lines of latitudes. Describe the regions between these lines. The important latitudes are listed below. Page number 168. 0 degree latitudes, equator. 23.5 degree north latitudes, Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 south latitudes, Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degrees north latitude, Arctic Circle. 66.5 degrees south latitudes, Antarctic Circle. 90 degrees north latitudes, North Pole, and 90 degrees south latitude, South Pole. Sixth question. What is a grid? How is it useful to us? The lines of longitudes and latitudes cross at 90 degrees and they form squares. These squares are called grids. The grids help us to locate any place on the earth. The point at which the parallel and the meridian cut each other is the location of place. Second section, fill in the blanks. 0 degree latitudes is called equator. Second one, there are 7 latitudes. Third one, the 66.5 degree south latitudes is called the Antarctic Circle. Fourth one, the longitudes are also called meridians. Fifth one, 0 degree longitudes is called Greenwich. Third section, match the following. Asia, largest continent. Second one, Antarctica, coldest continent. Third one, Australia, isolated continent. Fourth one, equator, northern and southern hemisphere. Fifth one, Delhi, 28 north degrees and 77 east degrees. Sixth one, India, east of prime meridian. Fourth section, name the following. The imaginary straight line passing through the center of the earth, equator. Second one, 90 degrees south latitudes, South Pole. Third one, a model of the earth, globe. Fourth one, the region of the earth that lie between 0 degree longitudes and 180 degrees east longitude, Greenwich. Fifth one, 90 degree north latitude, North Pole. Fifth section, write true or false. Correct the false statements. First one, India is a part of Europe. False. Correct statement is India is a part of Asia. Second one, the latitudes and longitudes are measured in meters. False. The latitudes and longitudes are measured in degrees. Third one, the equator divides the earth into the eastern and the western hemisphere. False. The equator divides the earth into the southern and the northern hemisphere. Fourth one, the latitudes are parallel to one another. False. The latitudes are parallel to one equator. Fifth one, the longitudes are complete circle. False. The longitudes are semicircles. Children, today homework is learn fill in the blanks, match the following and learn 3 question answers. Thank you children.